Hello everyone, welcome to Activity 121, the design process. The first thing we have here is the introduction. So if you would, please read that. Next we have the equipment, computer with internet access, and headphones are always a plus. Recommend keeping those with you because there'll be videos to watch. The procedure is right here. So you're going to learn about the steps in the design process that we talked about previously, and you're going to apply them to a challenge completed by the PBS Kids Design Squad team. So it says log into a computer with headphones and listen to one of the Design Squad videos. Here are your choices. You only need to do one of those. You don't have to actually use the URL provided because I have linked the videos directly. So don't worry about that URL. Just choose one of those links. After you've watched that, you're going to complete the Design Squad area of the handout, complete the conclusion questions, and then there's some pre-video questions as well. A thing to note, each of these videos are 20 to 25 minutes long, but they're not like Edpuzzles or something. They're just actual videos of two teams solving design challenges. So let's go to the next page. On this one, it says design process notes. What's important here is I just want you to answer this based on what you've learned so far. You don't have to write full paragraphs. Just what is design? Tell me what you think design is. What do you think the design process is? And if you look over here, here is an image of what we have talked about previously. The next thing that I would like you to do is down here, just give me a brief definition of what it is to do in each step of this design process, and then an example. So, for instance, when you define the problem, what is the definition of defining the problem? What is something you might do when defining the problem? This here is what you'll fill out after watching the video. This is your design squad. Um, the first couple of things are the videos that you watched, some overall stuff, the problem, the challenge. What I would like you to know is for sure paying attention to the criteria and constraints that were given to the teams. All right. Making sure that you understand what were the limitations and success criteria on their design. And then next, what I want you to do is fill out this table for number 9, telling what each team did during each stage of the design process. So fill this out the best that you can. All right. What did each team do at each stage of the design process? On the last page, we have our conclusion questions here. Once again, these must be answered, but these are kind of your opinions. Why do we use a design process? Why do you think? For instance, right here, which stage of the design process is most important and why? There's no real right answer. Okay, this is your opinion. So, conclusion questions are all your opinions. That is everything that you need to do to complete the 121 design process activity. Please send me a message or email me. Let me know if you have any questions.